The Padco Painting Kit cuts painting time in half. The Padco paint pad doesn't splatter. Rollers and brushes just aren't as smooth, fast, and neat as the Padco paint pad. Terrific on shakes and shingles, and siding too. There's a Padco painter in the kit for every painting job. It's the quickest, easiest, best way to paint.
Do you dread messy paint rollers and brushes? Padco paint pads are the best way to paint. Padco paint pads are the quickest, easiest, best way to paint anything. Use the best. Use Padco paint pads.